Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to get CapCut templates from TikTok. Let's just say you wanted to edit a video or photo and you want to get the templates from TikTok to use in your CapCut. So first, you just have to launch your TikTok application and then search for CapCut template. Now, once you search this one, you can see tons of people or TikTok users using CapCut template. You just have to pick one or select one that you wanted to use. For example, this one here. Okay, now what you're going to do is to simply tap this person's profile to see if there are more wonderful or beautiful templates that you want to use aside from the one you see on the home feed. Okay, so let's just say you just want that one. So you can go back and tap this CapCut, try this template. Okay, now you have to tap this use template in CapCut. And then you just have to tap again, use template. Now import the video from your gallery. Okay, tap any, for example, this one. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so export if you want. Now you can go back and simply look for another CapCut template again. Now, if you encounter problem like you can't see that CapCut template, maybe the reason why is that because you're not using the original CapCut template or your TikTok is not yet updated. So to do that, you just have to go to Google Play Store and make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. Okay, and then you can also uninstall your TikTok. You just have to long press, click uninstall, and install again. So maybe this can fix the problem. Now, if you can still see CapCut template on your TikTok, you can use this method instead. Go to Google web browser, any web browser, and then type CapCut template. And you can see there are tons of CapCut templates. You just have to select one or pick one. Tap this CapCut template first. Okay, and then let's just say, for example, I want to use this Jawan CapCut template. Tap this one. Okay, scroll down and tap this use template on CapCut. And then it will automatically direct you to CapCut. So all you have to do is tap this use template and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.